To add live chat to your website and Webflow, start by searching for Webflow in your web browser and visiting the website webflow.com. Click on the Login button, enter your email and password, and gain access to your account. From there, you can immediately proceed to the Designer section, found under All Sites. This will take you to a page where you can customize your website. To incorporate a live chat widget, visit elfsite.com and search for Chat in the My Apps or Add New Apps section. You'll find various chat options, including all-in-one chat, Facebook, Telegram, and Instagram. Choose a template, such as a general contact widget, and customize it to your liking. Once you've set up the widget, save it and click the plus sign to add it to your Webflow page. You'll see a list of options, including structure, forms, and advanced. Scroll down to find the Embed Code option. Paste the code onto your page, and the live chat widget will be active on your website.